The public is advised that the following roads in downtown Kingston will be temporarily closed to regular vehicular traffic on Friday, August 8 for the state funeral of Sir Howard Cooke. From 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., South Camp Road between Marion Road and East Queen Street and all roads leading on will be closed except for VIPs and other mourners attending and leaving the funeral. JUTC buses and others traveling from the direction of Up Park Camp will be diverted onto Marion Road and connecting roads on their outward journey. Also, persons will not be allowed to access South Camp Road from the direction of the sea, East Queen Street or Victoria Avenue. JUTC buses will access South Camp Road by way of Victoria Avenue onto Upper Elletson Road, leading to Marion Road. Only motorists attending the state funeral will be able to access North Street between South Camp Road and Duke Street, as well as all roads leading on. JUTC buses and the general traffic will be diverted left onto Duke Street. On reaching Hero Circle, they will make another left to West Hero Circle, right onto North Hero Circle, left onto Marescaux Road, and left onto Caledonia Avenue Crossroads. East Street between Charles Street and South Hero Circle and all roads leading on will be closed to the general motoring public. Marescaux Road between the corner of North Hero Circle and Connolly Avenue and Duke Street at South Hero Circle, as well as all roads leading on, will also be closed. Traffic coming from the Crossroads direction along Marescaux Road or from Connolly Avenue will be diverted along North Hero Circle in front of Woolmer's Boys School to access Torrington Avenue or Upper King Street and onwards. On the day, Almond Town and Kingston Garden residents will exit their communities by using Arnold Road and, if needed, can access Marescaux Road from the east or north. Pay close attention to traffic wardens and abide by the temporary traffic changes this Friday, August 8, as the country celebrates the life of the late former Governor General Sir Howard Cooke.